This morning we went on the hunt for a few tree branches because we are going to be making our own cat tower at home. We're going to be attempting to make our own cat tower out of tree branches. So we had to go up to the farm and have a little venture around. It is currently raining and very foggy, gloomy. So of course, the only logical answer is to brew a cup of tea, cancel all plans for the day, and read a book. So tomorrow is my birthday. We will be going to a art gallery. My favorite artist of all time ever since I was, I think, 14 is Frida Kahlo. One of my dreams is to go to Mexico to her old house, which has now been turned into a museum. That same museum lent some of Frida Kahlo's belongings to a art gallery in Bendigo, I think it is, or Ballarat. We are gonna go tomorrow. I am so excited. It's gonna be a little bit of a drive. This art gallery is in the country. When I got my first paycheck from my first ever job, I commissioned a drawing of Frida Kahlo from this artist. I've still got it, it's upstairs, and it is one of my prized possessions. My love for Frida Kahlo has been one constant thing in my life. I have got a cup of chamomile tea and I thought we could pick what book I'm gonna read today. I really want a good book. I'm trying to pick a book that I know I'll love because I just don't want my birthday to be tainted with a 1-star, 2-star read. I want something good. So these are my options. This is Ocean Vuong's new book, The Emperor of Gladness. I am obsessed with Ocean Vuong's writing. I read everything else he's written, so I'm pretty certain I'm going to love this. I'm just unsure if it's sounding like something I really want to read at the moment. This book is kind of giving more summer vibes, and because it's so gloomy today, I think I want to read something that kind of matches the weather. So that's the only reason I think I might pass. Another option, which I feel like would be a pretty guaranteed high star read for me, is the next Dune novel. I read Dune a little while ago, became instantly obsessed with it. This is the 3rd book in the series. I loved the first book, I loved the second book. Dune Messiah is a huge change of pace comparatively to the first Dune novel, and that's how you know I love the series, because I still ate it up. I'm leaning towards the next Dune novel. This is Children of Dune. I scoured the internet to find this cover. It is so cool. Another option is Vladimir Nabokov's Despair. I have no idea what this book is about, but I don't know, it just kind of feels like I would enjoy this book. There's no rhyme or reason. Oh, what do I want to read? I've decided I'm going to read Children of Dune. I'm going to get into some cozy clothes, do some washing, and then I'm going to read Children of Dune. Yay! You come to join me? Come to visit?
just took everything off. It's a clean slate. We are going to
Okay, in the go. I'm about 50 pages in. I am very quickly falling back into the same feeling of getting lost into a book. Frank Herbert does his chapters really small as well, and each chapter changes perspective between different characters, and that just, it gets me going. This is so good. Okay, they're ready. What happened? These ones rose nicely. Oh wait, I think it was because it was thicker. They didn't really rise. Okay, let's cut it open. It looks good. I'm so incredibly excited to go to the museum to see my favourite artist, things and works in the flesh. I honestly never thought this would happen to me in my lifetime, and here we are. It is my birthday and I am completing a bucket list item. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. So impressive. Let's go up close to the statue. Whoa. This is so cool.
Look at the pigeons at the door.
Pigeons living their best life. I had the best day and I wanted to show you what I got. There was a local bookstore in Bendigo and it was massive. I wanted to buy every single book there, but I only got one. So in total for today, I only got 2 books, but I'm excited to show you. So from the little bookstore that we went to, I got 1 book and it's Timaeus by Plato. This edition is so beautiful. I love these Penguin classics so much. I'm going to read The Republic first and then I'll jump onto this one. And they gave me a little bookmark. And the other book I got, I couldn't not get, obviously. It is the Frida Kahlo Museum book. I already skimmed through this on the way home. I noticed that there was these little booklets in the pages and I'm thinking of ripping out these booklets pages and framing them. It's basically just a recap of everything that was showcased at the exhibition, along with just extra information. At the exhibition there was so many people and I don't really do well in crowds, especially filming in public. It's kind of scary, but I had a really good time. Now I'm just gonna cozy in for the rest of the night. It was a huge drive today. It was 2.5 hours there and back, and it's currently 5:18 and I think I'm just going to read for the rest of the night. So I got sick. I got the flu and it was the most infuriating past few days ever, but I'm on the mend. I feel a lot better now. It is a few days later. I thought I'd wrap this video up. I managed to get nearly halfway through Children of Dune. I hate to say it, but this is my least favorite Dune book so far. It's so slow and boring. I feel like everyone is just plotting to kill each other. So many people are plotting to kill each other and we don't really hone in on anyone in particular. It's just really bland and boring. I actually looked up the book on Reddit because I wanted to see if other Dune fanatics felt the same. And it turns out, I think for a lot of people, Children of Dune is their least favorite book. I keep seeing on reviews that the second half of the book is where it gets good. So we shall see. Normally with Dune, I can't really put it down. And at the start, I felt that way. Within the first few chapters, I kind of fell into this world where we were catching up between the second book and now. Nevertheless, I will most likely be finishing Dune today. Thanks so much for watching.